Hello and thanks for tuning in. I have a nice padlock here for you. It's a Trioving high security padlock. The model number is 5633. Comes in a couple of models, but they're basically the same. Some new inventments which make it easier to take apart. But the core is still the same. It's a 6-pin Trioving. Comes with different keyways, but this is the 508, which is the standard profile in Norway. It's a hardened steel body, 50mm across, boron shackle. Yeah, tough pick. For some reason, the lock is pretty hard to pick clockwise. If you take a look at the key, it looks like it innocent enough bitting. A couple of high cuts in the front, but nothing is hiding them, so it's all low cuts in the back, but still takes about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes to pick clockwise. Ball bearings, of course. So what I'm gonna try to do is pick it counterclockwise. It's not gonna open the lock picking it counterclockwise, but if you can see, when I insert the key, we can twist a little bit, and that we will be able to pick it counterclockwise. And we're gonna have to use a plug spinner to slam it in the right position and then open it. So let's get it clamped up. See if you can get a good view there. Normally I pick Triovings counterclockwise. That's not often not always the way to open the lock, so in this case we have to use a plug spinner. It's a cool toy. Played a little bit with it lately. So if you don't have one, it's a good tool to have. So let's see. Pin 1 gave us a little full set. Just gonna work a little. I think we have something on 2 there. Work a little bit in the back. Number 3, I think. 2 again, getting us into a deeper and deeper full set by touching the pins in the back. Those are the low cuts, so they're not gonna be that hard to set. Loose tension, grazing, just about light touch to the back pins. Feel if there's any give in them at all. Now feels pretty good. Nothing much going on back there. We have something on 3. No. 2 wants to play a little bit. If I just can get my pick under. There. We got him set. 1, 2, feels good. I think the 3 in the back is okay. So that leaves us with 3. If I have not counted wrong. Or is it something on 5? think we have a little job to do in the back here. Possibly number 5. Gentle, gentle. See if we drop something in the front. I think something happened there. And there we go. We got a little more than a full set. That felt like all the pins were set and the lock is picked. Just gonna quickly go over all the pins just to check if there's anything left. Nope. Doesn't feel like the lock is still not open. So we're gonna take the plug spinner, tension up the spring, place it in the middle of the core, use the plug spinner to keep tension, remove the tension wrench and just push the button and hope for the best. Open. Ha! Nice. Okay. For the gutting, it's a bit tricky to take apart, so if you just want to see the inside, just fast forward. I'll try to be quick. Now the first screw here is to allow it to go into service mode. That's all left turn, but we can use a key and just lock it back up. Now counterclockwise, remove the shackle. Now it comes some ball bearings. Now hex screw down there is available. I think it was a 3mm. Now the cover plate comes off. And out comes the cylinder, I suppose. That should just be a drain hole. Might have forgotten something. Yeah, I did. There's a hex screw here as well, protected by the shackle, which locks in the cylinder. And there it goes. Now it's out. Let's just clear this out of the way. Pinning tray, tweezer, and the pry bar works excellent as a clip remover. Key. need some followers. All 6 pins. It has an optional of 7, by the way, but it's not inserted into this one. The red ones in 4 and 5 is not standard pins. When I got this padlock it didn't have a key, so I repinned it. Just if you want to know or are curious. Now let's see, we're gonna Trioving sec, by the way. Start in the front, we have a standard, and then we have 1, 2, come on baby, 3, 4, we have 2 sort of anti-bump pins, and we have 3 of these Trioving spools, barrel shaped, and a standard in the front. There you go. Thanks for watching, everybody.